Hi everyone, it's your girl GoldQueen Queency here again. So on today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys my in-depth tips and tricks on how to create a makeup look. So guys, if you want to see that, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to make is of this ORS edge control, okay, in order to set my brow, okay. This acts like more or less like a brow gel or brow mascara. What I'm going to do, with a spoolie, I'll go ahead to apply it to my brow, then allow it to dry, and then I'll go ahead making some brow gel in order to fill in my brow. So babes, also I have a detailed brow tutorial on my channel in case you want a detailed how to do your brow tutorial, okay. After doing my brow, what I'm going to do with a concealer, I'm making use of Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 30. I will go ahead to clean out the lower part of my eyebrow, and for the upper part of my brow, I'll make use of I'll make use of Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation, okay. So base, I'll go ahead making use of the same concealer in order to conceal my lid for my eyeshadow. And with some loose powder, I'll go ahead to set it, okay. And I'll just set my brow together. So guys, I'll go ahead making use of this Manage eyeshadow. I'll take that color there as my transition color. So babes, I'll go ahead making use of that color as my transition color. After that, I'll go in with this dark color here, okay. Then I'll go ahead as my crease color, okay. So babes, I apologize for any noise you heard because I'm here with my baby, okay. And with the same concealer I use, I'll go ahead to clean out my lid in order to cut my crease. So after cutting my crease, I'm making use of this color here. This is called peach. I'll go ahead and make use of it in order to set my crease or the half cut crease I did. And then with the same transition color, I'll blend out my outer corner. So base, I want to add a little bit of glitter. I made use of this NYS setting spray onto my brush, and then with a loose glitter, then I want to help placing it, okay, at the center of my lid, as you guys can see there. Just placing it there. I wanted to add more definition to this eye look. So yes, for now I'm going to go ahead to draw my eyeliner, and then I'll make use of a normal tape, okay. I want to do it like so quick and easy, and by doing so I won't have like any need to clean up much. I just line my eyes. So yes, after drawing it, I remove the tape, okay. Apply some mascara, and then with some concealer I cleaned up my eyeliner in order to make it to look more sharp. So yes, I went in with that color there, okay, in order to blend out the outer part of the transition color, okay. And right now we'll be going over to the face. I'll make use of this ZA True White Essence Lotion. I'll make use of it as my primer, and then in order to keep my lips moisturized, I'll make use of this Maybelline Fit Me Maybelline Baby Lips, okay, in the one called Berry Crush. I'll go ahead applying some to my lips. And yes babe, we are going to make use of the same Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, okay, as my foundation. So guys, I'll go ahead blending out my foundation. As you guys can see, I took my time. I wasn't really moving my foundation, but what I was doing was I was blending it out, dabbing it into my skin. I wasn't like pushing it or moving it. After blending out my foundation, you guys can see the bad boy pimple I have close to my lips here. I went ahead to highlight my face with the same concealer. And as well highlighted the dark areas close to my lips and the areas of your face which you normally highlight, babes. Okay, after highlighting my face, I'll go ahead to blend it out. So as you guys can see, as well not moving the concealer as well. You just need to dab it in order to blend it out. So guys, after blending out my highlights or my concealer, I'll go ahead making use of this magic color loose powder in order to set my face or the areas of my face I highlighted. And then with the pad, okay, with the foam or blender that comes with it, I use it to apply the loose powder. I applied it all over my face. And so babes, I went ahead blending it all out at the same time. I just gave it like 1 or 2 seconds. And then with a clean brush, I just went ahead making sure everything is well blended. So babes, I'm going to go ahead to make use of this Usher contour palette as my contour. So babes, I'm going to take that color there in order to contour my face. Okay, after applying that color, I went ahead with the darker shade in that palette. Okay, I want to give like a more chiseled, contour. Okay, I just focus only on the outer corner. As you guys can see, it's really made a big difference to this look. And then with some loose powder as well, okay, I went ahead trying to chisel everything out, you know what I mean, and then blended it out immediately. So guys, for my highlighter, I'm making use of this Miss Rose yellow highlighter, and then I made use of this blush from Mel's. I just smiled, applied it to the apple of my cheeks. And then with the same beauty blender I use the dry area, I went ahead blending out the contour, the highlighter, and the blush all together. So babes, before I started doing my face, okay, I applied some lash glue to the eyeliner I did, as you guys can see, and I allowed it to dry. Did you see how easy it is for me to place my lashes? Yes guys, I have a lash tutorial coming up soon, and I took those 2 colors there in order to blend my lower lash line. Apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. And with the same NYX setting spray, I went ahead to melt the powdery look on my face. First of all guys, make sure you always shake your setting spray. So guys, did you see how everything have turned into my skin? I blended it out as well, like past dry the setting spray. So basically with this Cubes persistent lip liner, I went ahead lining my lips. And then with Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, I applied my lipstick. And so babes, that is it on how I created this beginner detail tutorial on how to do your makeup for black women, for everybody in general, and as well did my hair, okay, which I have a tutorial coming as well soon. These are clippings. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Of course, you really need to follow me because I share daily tips there. I love